So what are your legal options when you get into an accident, especially if you fear for your safety? Joining me right now is Bobby Raitt. He is a partner with Michigan Auto Law. And Bobby, thanks for coming in tonight.
You're welcome.
We know that driving away from the scene of an accident is a crime, but what if you fear that your life may be in danger if you stay at the scene? Obviously, you should call 911. That should be your first move.
The law is that you have to remain at the scene of an accident. There is an exception, however, if you have a reasonable belief that more harm will take place if you do remain. And then the law tells you that you have to contact the police, either by going to the nearest police station or by calling 911 and contacting them with all the information you have relative to that accident.
We know that Detroit is notorious for hit-and-run accidents. I've heard figures as high as 50% uninsured motorists in the city of Detroit. But do you think that some of these beating cases, especially the high-profile ones like the Stephen Utash case, are these spurring more hit-and-runs because they fuel the fear that people are in danger if they get out of their cars?
It certainly makes sense that that would be the case. The problem, especially in the city of Detroit, has always been with the high insurance premiums that are charged by one of the most profitable industries in this country, in the insurance industry, that there are a lot of uninsured drivers. Like you said, about 50% of the drivers in the city of Detroit are uninsured. And so the hit and runs have always been very high, a high rate of hit and runs because of that fact. This will only add to that, would be the common sense conclusion.
So what's the answer here? How do we get this under control?
Well, by getting the word out that you do have to remain at the scene of an accident. However, if you do feel that there is harm to come by staying at the scene, like in these two incidents we're talking about, contact the police. You will not be charged criminally as long as you have that reasonable belief that harm could occur.
All right. Bobby Raitt, Michigan Auto Law, thanks for your insight. We appreciate you coming in tonight.
Thanks, Monica.